To make these absolutely enormous and fascinating giant soap bubbles, you will definitely need some regular everyday dish soap. Soap that's not for dishwashers. Distilled water, 1 liter. Glycerol and baking powder. You have 1 liter of water. It's very important that the water is distilled. If you don't have distilled water, you can use boiled water. Just make sure to boil it well and let it settle. A disposable cup. It has about 100 grams in it. Yeah, it seems like it's written down, but I'm pouring it in there too. Along the edge, to the bottom, a little less, a little more soap. It's not a big deal. And we need to mix all of this very well. Once we've mixed our soap very well, we take approximately 25 grams of glycerin and carefully pour about half a jar of 10-15 grams into it. And also mix it all very well. By the way, friends, regarding the glycerin, we can use all 25 grams. Baking powder is just regular baking powder. Here it is. And we pour in about half a pack. And we mix all of this. Here our liquid is ready. Let it sit for a bit so the foam can settle. We take 2 sticks. What do we have for the spirit binding? We take a thread, preferably wool, as it will absorb our solution better. It's best to slightly double it. We twist it, and we don't simply tie this edge to the stick, just like that carefully. We split it into 2 and do it like this, so that we end up with a picture like this. So this is what the picture looks like. So friends, our mixture is ready and our sticks are ready. Here they are already. We dip our sticks in there. We take it out and we end up with a ball like this. Now I'll just show you again how wonderfully it inflates. It's best to let our mixture sit for a while.